Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Menteri Khana Katnat Home Affairs jong ka Sarkar Pleng, Kiren Rijiju, haka lai potering unailor, ulawan bansaki ya kawai ni kijing Lehniam Durga Puja, haka ni kejela, jong kirungi Hindu, kata haka snong Nartiang jong karilum jantia. Haka ni kasngi lai don langru UMP ka Lok Sabha, National Parliamentary Seat, uba Vincent H. Pala, UMLA ka ni kathan uba Sngaw Bahalang Dhar, Chief Executive Member ka Jente Hills Autonomous District Council, uba Ahaw Andrew Shulai, nang tau ba Shibon Lingdo ubadayu State President jong kaseng BJP Meghalaya Unit, urang ba asnong kasnong Nartiang bat kiwi de. Kiren Rijiju haba ajikran hakani kasngi ulapan pau ya kajing sokmen ka bakrau ban poi hakani ka jaka. Wat lah padang kajing penthon jong ki bor kamariang. Bat halor kane ula angru bakani kadai kajing yalam nanti jong ka Blai Durga. Ya kane kajing Lehniam lasdang nadu ka arpnyo tudek unailor. Lingba ki kinya ki kriam paper ki bala pandam de ki pandet had Durga Temple kat ba ki paitba na kaleng ki jaka kilawan ra ki blang ki paro ka kan upathau bat kiwe de ki jajing bam pan ai buram ya ka Blai Durga ka balasna kerpang da ka pasyor.
Nartiang from the ancient time, they have laid such a foundation, such a strong foundation in this Nartiang village that nothing could shake, nothing could remove the foundation of this village. I can say proudly, being a person from Northeastern region, it's a proud for me to feel that Nartiang, it may not be the richest village in terms of economic progress. It may not be the most prosperous village in terms of economic development or other infrastructure. But socially, religiously, culturally, I can proudly say that Nartiang is the richest village in India. Nothing can be worthy than the rich heritage which you have embarked upon, carried over the ages, and we have today seen the living cultural heritage which has, we do not required to go back to history, it is live. The living heritage is in front of us.
Habayakaran barkinang pathai kubor hadin ka jing jurep yakani ka jaka Lehniam Kiren Rijiju ulaong bakathong ka bahakmat jong ka sarkar ka balailam da kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party hapo ka jinglam jong menteri rang bado kari Narendra Modi kalong banwan ra ya karoi ka pa da ka bakantiu ya ki kam jo kai pathai ki badan hakaleng kari India. Kiren Rijiju ulaong ru balada khlem karoi ka par ki baro ki longlena balada ka seng BJP ha Meghalaya kan wan hakabor sanchar ka thong ka bahmat jong sarkar kalong man kan tiu ya ka kam chuak kai parthai namar ba ka jila Meghalaya ka dei ka jaka ka babyang tam na ka benta kinang wan chuak kai parthai ki bawan na kaleng kiri jong ka parthai.
Tourism is a big subject in Meghalaya and this place has a huge potential. As a minister from the northeastern region, it is a binding duty on me to ensure that developmental activities do take place in northeastern region. Election is part of the democracy. I think the whole nation is going towards a direction where development is only the agenda. So NDA under Narendra Modi has given development as the only agenda, nothing else. Development. Without development, everything is useless. So development is the primary agenda of our government. So Meghalaya being a very progressive state, people are very hardworking. If BJP forms the government here, it will give a double fillip to the development of Meghalaya.
Okay, sir.
Because the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has a special plan for Northeast. But unless this is executed by the state government, we will not be able to fulfill our projects and our objectives. So hopefully, people of Meghalaya will give a chance to BJP to serve the people.